Jan Hill, a founding director of the Education Group, and I want to talk about the Senior Leaders Leading for Impact program. It's a 2-day program that is specifically designed for senior leaders and possibly a whole team that might want to come, or part of a team. This program is for leaders who want a refresh to their leadership, who want to build their leadership to the next level. It might be for a new or reconstituted team that really wants to work and strengthen their team culture, their leadership culture. The program will give you access to the latest international and national research and thinking about leadership, and it will definitely be very interactive and very practical. You will be able to use the content and apply it to your context in a very real way that will make a difference to how you do things. A special feature of the program is the opportunity to complete an extended disc behavior analysis assessment, which will give you an insight into how you lead, how others perceive your leadership. And that can be used to rethink, rejig, just reflect on your leadership. And it could have real implications for the culture and dynamics of the team if more than one person in that team does it. So there are some bonuses around doing it individually and also comparing it with what others have done, possibly others in your team. I'm pretty sure you'll be interested in this. Make sure that you book online through the Education Group website. Look for our workshop program in the tab at the top, and you'll be enrolled and ready to go.